Hello kids, let's draw a caterpillar. Try to draw with me. First of all, I am drawing their face, their eyes, their lips, kids draw with me. It's very easy to draw. Try to draw step by step with me. Let's make caterpillar's outline darker. Now let's color caterpillar. First of all, I am coloring in their face. Red color. Blue color, orange color, green color, sky blue color, yellow color, pink color, purple color, pink color, it's done. Okay kids, take care. See you again in next video.